Foam traps particles and debris for mechanical filtration. Tailored fit prevents bypass. Provides biological filtration as friendly bacteria grow inside pore structure. Replacement media designed to fit the AquaClear 110 filter. Suitable for both freshwater and saltwater aquariums up to 110 gallons. Includes one AquaClear 110 foam filter insert. Age range description. All life stages. Top reviews from the United States. Known brand, quality product, quick shipment. I own an AquaClear filter, and I always get lots of extra foams for my aquarium projects. At this price, the foam is bigger and cheaper than 70s. Good quality foam from an authentic source with good PPI that serves its purpose. If getting from other vendors with unknown brand, you may get foams with 30 pixels per inch that will frequently clog.